Hi there and welcome to the UkeStuff channel. Today I have an unboxing for you. Now again, not everybody likes unboxing videos, so I try to make it very clear when it is an unboxing video. If you don't like unboxings, please don't watch. But if you do, please keep watching. And again, it's a good way to give you a sneak peek of what's going to be coming up in the future. Never quite sure when, especially when it's an instrument like this that I bought myself. I always make a point to cover instruments that are sent to me for review before reviewing those and looking at those that are ones that I buy. So I like to check out what's happening in Amazon warehouse deals at an inexpensive cost. It's a great way to review a number of instruments that are low cost, and as a result, that's what we have here. So came shipped just like this, not in another box, so that's very minimal shipping for Amazon. But then again, it is an Amazon warehouse purchase, so it was an ukulele that was purchased by somebody and then sent back. However, it's supposed to be in good shape. And all that is inside of it is the ukulele itself. So let's get the box out of here and open up the ukulele here. So this is a Vorson concert plastic ukulele. Looks a little different on the top there. I would recommend Fun Ukulele Projects as a website or as a YouTube channel where you can see someone do more work on one of these. But what we'll do is, yeah, it's definitely not even in tune. Ultimately, it's heavier than you would think. It's a thicker sort of plastic. You can see it's injection molded. Has a slight curve to the back. No side position markers on it. Metal geared tuners. All right, ultimately, I can't get this in tune at the moment. The strings are stretching and winding an unbelievable amount. So it's going to take a little while. I was not going to be able to do a demo of what it sounds like out of the box because it's just going to be awful at the moment. I can already tell you that I'm probably going to have to change strings on this one. But this is the Vorson concert. Watch for an upcoming review of it. And it again lines up for another part of a larger comparison between all the different plastic ukuleles that are out there. All right, thanks for watching the channel. I hope you're having a great day, and I will be back soon with some more uke stuff for you.